what was your previous research experience?
We researched about school armchair kasi our product was the chair formers, which is a more innovative school armchair. So we asked some students what their opinion of their current armchairs and use that to improve our product.
Number 2, what have you learned from this experience?
I learned that communication is key since there's at least 8 people in the group and sometimes we spread out to do our research and it's really important that we know what we're doing and what we're doing is the same for every room, especially when we do surveys and all. So yeah, communication is...
Number 3, share some advice or tips on how to ensure success in research.
Ayun. So make sure, again, wait lang, what's the word? Yung tawag dun sa
Saan?
Hindi exaggerated. Emphasize. Well, we emphasize yung communication since I think it's the most important talaga, especially if you're in a group. Like, always have group chats. When you have group chats, maayos ang usapan. Never take advantage of the times that you have together as a group. Sorry. Like, if binigyan kayo ng teacher ng time, talk about it properly, huwag kayo mag-chika-chika. Like, kasi never take advantage of the time that you have with each other.
Okay, last. What quality skill a good researcher must possess?
Yes, I think you really have to know how to focus since it's easy to get distracted in research. Like, especially marami kayong data, you need to know what you're really looking for and instead of looking at insignificant things, you need to know your focus para hindi kayo maligaw dun sa goal niya.
Okay, thank you.